The question a lot of people have: did I have the virus without knowing it? For the second time today, people in Burke County had a chance to get tested for antibodies and hopefully get an answer.
Now, those results aren't always accurate, but our Dave Faraday learned it's getting a lot of attention in Burke County, where the number of confirmed cases has been growing.
Well, there's a lot of interest in the antibody testing here. Some folks actually showed up an hour early to get tested, but a similar clinic just last week, only about 1% tested positive. Janice Hunt showed us her first line of defense against COVID-19, face mask she wears anytime she's out in public. But it was an out-of-town trip earlier this year that brought her to the antibody testing at Patton High School in Morganton today.
I was in New Orleans the week before Mardi Gras with a group of people, and the next week, guess what happened down there? And you don't know who had it and who didn't.
Macy Rudisil also joined the line of cars this morning. A roommate tested positive for COVID, and for months she's wanted to know if she's possibly had the virus.
It's a super scary thing, honestly, but not much. My family's been really strict on following quarantine. Solid
Rock Medicine conducted the testing today. Last week, a similar clinic, only 4 people out of 370 tested positive for the antibodies.
I wasn't really surprised. I think a lot of people just had like maybe the flu or something around November or December and thought they had it.
Healthcare workers here hope the numbers will help the local health department and the community understand more about the spread of the disease in Burke County.
I think the fastest way we get out of this and keep people healthy is just to have mass testing. I think anytime I can get that information, I think it'd be helpful for me and for everyone.
And Solid Rock Medicine says they'll have the results pretty quick. Anyone testing positive should get those results this weekend. Back to you.
And the CDC is warning antibody tests may be wrong up to half the time. They say the tests aren't accurate enough to drive important policy decisions. They remind people to continue to be cautious regardless of your antibody test results.